Thursday, Cooking with Kevin, and this week we had a request for our cranberry chicken. It's a very quick and easy recipe. We got our oven preheated to 400, or you can do it in the crock pot. Because of the timing, we're going to do it in the oven. The other thing too, is you just don't have to use chicken. We also do it with meatballs, but today we're doing it with chicken. The first thing we want, I can't turn this upside down, is 1 can of whole berry cranberry sauce. We prefer the whole. We've never tried this recipe with the jelly. One pack of onion soup mix.
I think one of our girls have tried it with the jelly.
Have they?
Yeah, we'll have to ask them.
And then 1 cup of Catalina dressing, or actually any dressing that you like. We prefer the Catalina. You could try it with Russian, French. You know, it's really up to personal preference. And we're just going to mix it up. Now for this, we're using our Dutch oven, and I'm just going to place these chicken breasts down near the bottom. Now normally I don't like defrosting chicken in the microwave, but I hadn't taken the chicken out in time for it to defrost, so.
Be honest, you were at work and I forgot.
Listen, I was trying to spare you.
Well, it's the truth.
Well, I could have took it out last night too and put it in the fridge, and
well, there, you forgot too.
so I forgot as well.
So I made up by peeling potatoes and making a salad.
Yes. Yeah. So really, all it's going to do with the sauce is we're just going to cover the chicken. We're going to bake this probably for about an hour at well, I got the oven on at 400. When we do it in the crock pot, it takes longer. We do it on high. We also use pre-cooked meatballs. We cheat. I like using the Angus meatballs. You can use Swedish meatballs, whatever you want. Well, folks, that is it. I don't even think that took 5 minutes. See how easy it is. And when you have somebody that pre-does all your salads and potatoes, it's even easier. But our focus is on the chicken. So when it's ready, and we're ready to eat, we'll bring it to the table for the taste test. Okay. PSA to everybody. You put them in the oven. Don't put a lid on the pot.
Yeah, see, when I've done them, I don't put the lid on. But I wasn't watching what he was doing, so I didn't know
She didn't direct
that.
me well enough. It's her fault.
So it didn't thicken as much as it normally does.
Yeah.
But it still looks yummy. Look
Still looks good. Mm-hmm. Still yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So we've got salad, boiled potatoes, and cranberry chicken.
Yep. Okay.
And Mr. Brody has his plate, carrots and cucumbers.
Yeah. All right. So don't go too far. There's going to be an additional video after I close this out. Yes. I got mail. Yes. So anyways, that's it. That is the cranberry chicken. I don't even know if I told everybody what it was called at the start. But Yeah, cranberry chicken. It can be cranberry meatballs. It can be done in the crock pot. It can be done in the oven. However you want to do it. Anyways, folks, thanks for joining us this week. Like I always end it off, I don't know what I'm going to make next week, but I'm sure Kelly will tell me. Thank you very much. Have a good week and stay tuned for the video after this. Hey, I got mail. Me, not her.
I did two. I did two.
I'm not excited about that. Okay, so this is a very early birthday gift because my birthday's not till November.
The end of November.
Yeah, but Brittany texted me and said, hey, you're getting an early birthday gift. So I don't know if it's just from her or all three of the kids. And I don't know what it is. Because
It's not a warmer because it's not heavy.
I don't think so. It's not heavy.
Don't look at the sheet.
Well, I think we're all wrong. I think it is a warmer. Oh, it's definitely a warmer.
Oh, that's weird. It's not heavy.
I think it's a nightlight. It is a nightlight. But it doesn't feel heavy.
That's why it was so early because they sell out so fast.
Yep. Yep. Oh. Woohoo.
Look at that.
Toronto Maple Leafs. Now I gotta find a spot for this.
That is cool.
Yeah. Thank you very much. So I can probably assume that's just from Brittany, but
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, if it's not, thank you all, I guess. So, yeah. So that's it. Thanks.
Oh, show the back. There's a hockey player on the back.
Oh, yeah, there is. Okay. Just give me a sec. Well, it's not really on the back. It's more on the side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's neat.
Yeah. Same one over there. That is so nice. Okay. That's it. That's my mail excitement.